Hello and welcome to the Hoosier Adventure YouTube channel. My name's Jim, and if this is your first time joining us, welcome, and thank you for stopping in. And if you're one of our followers, we have over 300 subscribers now. Way to go, guys. Thank you. Feel totally blessed about that. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the videos. So shifting gears just a little bit. So you see me tie a lot of hand-tied jigs and stuff. Well, we're going to switch gears. I'm going to show you something that we're getting ready to do. Something that I want to try to make an annual event for not only myself, but for the channel. Hopefully you guys get a lot out of it. Hopefully I can bring that spirit of abnormality that I put into tying jigs into the plastic side of things. So as you can see, I'm getting everything set up here in what is a very empty boat barn. This building is heated and cooled, so since we don't have a boat right at the moment, which I will give you an update in this video on exactly where we are with the boat. And we'll kind of go a little bit into detail on that. But we're going to get ready to start putting out some videos on making some plastic baits, setting up those plastic baits, how I do it, how some of my friends do it. Everybody's kind of got their own little, definition of what they want to do. And there's no wrong answer other than the answer where you're not catching fish. The fish really determine, what they like and what they don't like. Pretty can go only as far as Facebook and maybe YouTube. After that, it's really all about, the quality of the fishing. So, all right, the boat. So, after some back and forth with Nitro and the company and everything, so a couple determinations, and we're going to try to videotape some of the repairs that are going on with the boat. And I'll get into details on that, hopefully as I'm videotaping and uploading that. So the boat is going to be repaired, and I feel blessed about that. I love the boat. This is nothing against the Nitro brand, guys. I am not slamming Nitro. It is across the board. There are quality issues with just about everything we put our hands on in life. And, I had a couple subscribers reach out to me, and Nitros are junk and all that. That's not true, okay? Nitro is just as good as the next brand out there. If you talk to people and they're honest and stuff, they're going to tell you that there's quality issues with all brands. And where does quality start? So as some of you may not know, I am a quality engineer, okay? My background is mechanical engineering, but I have spent over 30 years in quality analytics and quality processes and how to bring quality to a much better place. All right, excuse me there for a moment. I had to sneeze, and I didn't want to do it on camera. That's kind of rude. All right, so as a quality engineer, where does it start, okay? Quality in America starts with the people that work in manufacturing, that work in customer service. It's you and I. Now, yes, companies set standards, and I would like to think that a lot of companies would be open to hearing, those ideas. I know I am, from the people that are doing the jobs. Too many times people say, well, that's just the way it's always been, and, to heck with it. And that, guys, If we can get rid of that attitude, we get rid of the quality issues. All of us should have that desire to put forth our best effort. I know I do. Whether, you know, I was a plant manager or whether I was the quality engineer, the quality manager, quality supervisor, whatever title you want to give it, okay? The bottom line is all of us need to work together as a team and listen, and the better we work together, the better the quality is in any product that we put out there to the general public. And, you know, I'm not trying to slam Nitro. I'm trying to hopefully solve issues with them and to help them, you know, improve their product by any means that I possibly can. And I would do that regardless of whether it's my Chevrolet truck, whether it's, you know, my wife's Subaru Outback, you know, whatever the case may be. You know, it boils down to attitude. What's our attitude? What do we want? And it doesn't matter whether you're spending $1 or $100,000. The quality side of things should meet the same standard, okay? And we should be able to define that standard. So with that being said, not getting really in depth into it, that's kind of where I'm at right now. I am hopeful that, you know, this coming year in the spring, you know, we're going to be able to put out the type of quality fishing videos that I had hoped to put out in 2025. And, you know, it's an unfortunate thing. It really, truly is. I mean, would I have loved to have been out there more? You bet I would have. And I know a handful of you that fish with me would have loved to have been out there with me. But, you know, some things are just, you know, out of our control, and that's the way it was. We've continued to grow our channel based on, you know, other content and stuff, which I'm grateful for. And, you know, hopefully as I continue to inspire people to, you know, reach out and you know, in their creativity and, you know, do what I've done. You know, I've only been tying jigs for a year. And I can tell you, I have truly enjoyed it. It's therapeutic for me, and I enjoy sharing it with you guys. And I think, you know, injecting the plastics, you know, I'm going to try to bring my own little swing into this. You know, some of it I can promise you probably ain't going to work, but you're not going to know unless you try. And, you know, so we're going to swing for the fences, and hopefully we can come up with some products that'll work really well. And, you know, we're going to run, there's 5 gallons of Plastol, so I don't know how much 5 gallons can run, but that's a lot of jigs. So, you know, hopefully we can share some of that with our subscribers. And I'd love to do that. You know, I'm all about giving. I'm all about helping my fellow fishermen. I want to be a true ambassador to our sport. And, you know, I enjoy helping people that, you know, otherwise may not have the same opportunity. So I hope you guys enjoy this, this kind of we're just going to take it and put it on in its own little viewing on the channel, its own little group. And hopefully you guys enjoy all that. As I go into the lab and start experimenting, and we're going to experiment with colors and glitters and pearls and all kinds of stuff, and see what we can come up with. And we're going to write those recipes down, and then you guys are going to have them. So that if you have your own setup and you want to try some of what I'm doing, you know, I'd love to share that with you. And then, you know, obviously send me pictures, because I love the pictures, and I love seeing that I've inspired people to be creative and take some of that on. So with that being said, we're going to kind of shift gears, and we're going to start getting going. I'm still in the process of setting everything up, and I'm going to have some friends come over. We're going to have a good time and just share it with you guys. And hopefully you guys really truly enjoy these videos and stuff. I think that I know we're going to enjoy sharing what we do and how we do it and what we do. And then obviously you get to see me in this laboratory for a period of time. And either I'm going to make a fool out of myself, which is okay, I don't mind. Or, I'm going to come up with some really cool product. And the fish are going to enjoy it. You're going to enjoy it. And it's all good, right? All right, guys. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscription button. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. And definitely hit that notification bell. As you know, it's going to notify you as soon as I start loading these up and some of the things we do. I don't cut anything out. So if there's a mistake, you're going to see it. So, and it just helps you guys prevent from making the same mistakes. I believe in sharing that kind of stuff. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. It's coming. Good night, everybody. And please remember, always be kind.